This is the letter V.
There's a V.
Big V, little v.
There's a V.
The letter V makes a V sound like V, volcano. A lot of words begin with the letter V, like vacuum, vase, vegetable, Velcro, violet, violin. What else begins with the letter V? V is for... That's right, vulture. What is a vulture? Vultures are big birds of prey with bald heads and broad wings. They eat dead animals, which helps keep the environment clean. Vultures live in many different places around the world, like forests, grasslands, and deserts. They soar high in the sky looking for food, and they usually travel in groups. These birds play an important role in nature. Here are some parts of a vulture. I see feathers, a bald head, wings, and a tail. Let's look at some different vultures for ideas. What do you see? I see many different vultures in different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a vulture. Let's draw a vulture. We need
It's
paper,
black.
marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our vulture art. Slant line with 1, 2 curved lines meeting together. That's going to be its hooked beak. And then a line up from the point to divide. Then we're going to do 1, 2 small circles with 1, 2 small circles on the inside and color them in for eyes. And we're going to build the head around it. So let's go to just under our beak and do a curved line up and around and back down. All right, now vultures have that kind of funky curved neck, so we're going to do a curved line for the neck. And we're going to do a wiggly line up and around for those fun feathers. Then a wiggly line across, wiggly line for the fun feathers. Alrighty, now we're going to build the body. We're going to do a curved line from the fun feathers up and around. Very good. Curved line on the inside of the body, and then a wiggle line for the feathers of the wings back up. 1, 2 straight lines out the back with a wiggle line to connect for the tail. At the very bottom of the body, we're going to do 1, 2 kind of little boxes for his legs with 1, 2 little lines, 1, 2 little lines down 4 legs, and then 1, 2, 3 toes, 1, 2, 3 toes made out of little U's. And we have our vulture. So this would be a good time to add some detail. And vulture begins with the letter V. So I'm going to do a big V and a little V just to help me remember. Let's add color to our vulture. I chose to make my vulture's head and neck that pink of his skin, and then his feathers are gray, purple, blue. Ta-da!
Ta-ta.
You made a vulture. That's very, very nice. Vulture is for
V.
V, the letter V. Thank you for joining us today. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. We'll see you in the next one.
W.
It is time for W.